roll out the mid-back. Now you've got muscles that are on the outside of your shoulder blades or scapula, as well as muscles between the scapula and the spine. So by bringing your arms toward each other in a hugging fashion or outward like so, will allow the shoulder blades to come toward each other or away, and you'll be able to target all that tissue there. So taking the foam roll, you're going to be seated and laying back upon it so that you start just above the lower back. And you can hug your arms or have your arms close together as you roll from the base of your neck all the way down toward the top of the low back. Take several passes like that. If you want more focus on one side, just lean in that direction, or focus on the other side, lean across. Bringing the arms out away from you, maybe putting your hands behind your head to support it, it draws the shoulder blades in closer together so you're able to target the tissue that surrounds the top of your shoulder blades and on the outside as well.